أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ayat number 3, Surah Baqarah. So Allah is explaining the qualities of those people who are muttaqeen. So the first quality of those people, allazina yu'minuna bil ghaib. So they believe in unseen. Second quality, wa yuqimuna salata, and they establish their prayer. Third quality, wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun, and whatever we give them the rizq, they spend that one. So in ayat number 3, three qualities Allah has expressed which are found in the muttaqeen people. Allazina yu'minuna. Allazina, those people, yu'minuna, who believe, bil ghaib, in unseen. Wa yuqimu, and they establish, they set up, they maintain, nas-salata, their prayer, their salah. So they establish, they pray, they maintain their prayer, they set up regularly. It means they pray regularly 5 times a day. وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, and وَمِمَّا, and whatever we have given them, رَزَقْنَاهُمْ, the rizq, يُنْفِقُونَ, they spend that one. So this quality, that the rizq that Allah is giving those people, they are not to keep it, they are just to spend it according to the rules regulation that Allah told in Holy Quran, and the Prophet ﷺ did that. So they try to spend that under the limits of Islam. They are not to keep it and not to spend it more than the requirement, or which is not needed. They are not allowed to buy the things which are not needed. So this way Islam like to spend the money under the limits expressed by Islam. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ, and those people who yu'minuna, believe, bima unzila, whatever what have been sent, unzila, sent down, ilaika, to you. It means that is Holy Quran. So the muttaqeen people, the other quality is that one, they believe. So muttaqeen people, they believe on the Holy Quran that has been sent down to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wallazina, and those people, yu'minuna, they believe, bima unzila, what have been sent down, ilaika, to you. To you mean to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the Holy Quran that have been sent to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the muttaqin people they believe completely on that. Wama unzila, and what has been sent down min qablik, before you. It means the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam he has been revealed Holy Quran by Allah. So before Holy Quran, all the books of Allah, those came to different prophets just for the guidance for the people. So muttaqin people are those one who believe on all of them. In Musnad Ahmad, one hadith that all the books that came to guide the people, they are 315, the small and big books. And the Muslim people, muttaqin people, they believe in all. And next quality is wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun. Wa and bil akhirati, and the last day, the day of judgment, that is akhirah. Hum, they, yuqinun, they believe firmly. They have firm belief, complete, concrete belief on the day of judgment. So that is the other quality of the muttaqin people. So the muttaqin people qualities we are just to look again. The first quality, allazina yu'minuna bil ghaib, they believe in unseen. Second quality, wa yuqimuna salata, and they establish their prayer, their salah 5 times a day. Regularly they pray. They maintain their prayers. Third quality, وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, and whatever Allah has given the rizq they spend. Fourth quality, وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ, and those people who believe what has been sent down to you. It means they believe in Holy Quran completely. So the next quality, وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِن قَبْلِكَ, and whatever have been sent down before you. It means the all other books that came to guide the human beings before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So muttaqin people they believe in all of those books. And the last quality, wabil akhirati hum yuqinun, and the akhirah, the day of judgment, the last day, whom yuqinun, they have firm belief, belief, complete faith on it. So this is the quality, these are the qualities of the muttaqin people. And if these qualities, if you find in the person, that is muttaqin, taqwa. So Allah said about them, ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim, and those are the people, ulaika, those are ala hudam, at right guidance, min rabbihim, from their Lord. Wa ulaika, and those are the people, humul muflihun, who are successful. So these are people, successful people. It means Allah will give them their place in Jannah, inshallah. So these are the people who will find their place in Jannah when they leave this world. So those people will find their place in Jannah because those are the successful people. So we have to look these qualities in ourselves. If we are missing, we have to make our belief concrete, solid, because in all these qualities, what Allah expressed about the muttaqeen people, so that is belief in unseen, and also believe in Holy Quran, and believe in the books that came before Holy Quran, and believe at the day of judgment. So these are the beliefs or faith. And also two things in this, which are other qualities. One is the rizki halal, they earn and then they spend. And then other thing is they set up their prayer, they establish their prayer, they pray to God 5 times a day. So that is the thing. So these are two amal: spending money, earning halal risk, to spend it, not to keep it, not to waste it, and spending under the limits of Islam. Then the other deed is just to continue salah 5 times a day, because they established their prayer. So we have to look in ourselves. If we are doing all that and having full belief, then inshallah we are the people are called muttaqeen, and we will have our place in Jannah, inshallah, because Allah said these are the people who are muflihun. Muflihun mean successful people who will find their place in Jannah. Allah will give us tawfiq and to do all the things and have all the qualities of muttaqin in ourselves, and inshallah then we will find our place in Jannah, inshallah.